Hello everyone, this is Kathy. Today I'd like to talk to you about which groups of people are suitable to start the paper knife, fork, and spoon production project. First, people in the catering industry, including restaurants and cutlery suppliers, are ideally suited to launch this project. With the rapid growth of the takeaway industry, the demand for cutlery using eco-friendly materials is also on the rise. Second, entrepreneurs and investors are also a very perfect fit. For those investors who are concerned about the green economy and environmental innovation, paper cutlery projects are undoubtedly a very promising area. Third, existing factory owners can also quickly cut into this market. If you already have a production line, consider adding a module for the production of paper cutlery. Such a transition will not only expand your product line, but also capture the market opportunities presented by environmental policies. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in the paper knife, fork, and spoon project, please feel free to contact us. See you next time. Bye-bye.